Indian speaking. It's not raining yet.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Denver. The local time is 6:15 Mountain Time. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please make sure you have all of your personal belongings and be careful when you're opening overhead compartments. If you're connecting here in Denver, please check the United app on your mobile device or see the airport displays for up-to-date flights.